Yo, what's good? Got a quick market recap today. Didn't take any trades today because today was a no news Monday and I just didn't see anything that I really wanted to take. So let me go over it really quickly. Okay, so first, the main thing that I was looking at was GBP/JPY. Going on to market open, 4 hour was bearish, closing below this low, and that's kind of it. We also had this low that was closed below as well, so just confirmed bearish. Now, with that bearish structure in mind, I was looking for highs to get taken. Had Asian highs and we had this 1 hour high as well. We did have the Asian lows, and according to like that video that TJR made, he was like, yo, you could take shorts off of the lows because that price point gets like respected, and it did in this case. We came right into the Asian lows, respected that, and started making a move down. But I don't really take those kind of stuff because I don't really understand like why it's doing that. But I mean, it worked out, which is kind of crazy. Like I was not expecting that, but it did. So yeah, ideally I wanted to see the Asian highs get taken or even just come into this 1 hour low, but we came into the Asian lows. We respected it quite magically. I don't know if this is just a one-time scenario. Like I see it like happen like when I'm looking over past weeks or just looking over past charts, but I've never seen it like this nicely. Like we came right into the Asian low. We took out the 8 London highs like an hour before NY open, but we pushed right into the Asian lows. And then it beautifully breaks structure and then it just targets the London low. Like that's kind of crazy, yo. I'm not gonna lie. That would have been a beautiful trade. But the thing is, like, we have a target, but if I were to take this, I would feel like, yo, we might just want to push out and take out the high. So I feel like that's kind of not a trade that I like. That's kind of a trade that I ideally would not want to take. But like, damn, bro, that shit looks kind of like nice, bro. That shit looks tough. Maybe it was just like a random Monday thing. So with the USD pairs now, but my screen is so crusty. Jeez. 4 hour was bullish going into market open, but I say that too much. But I was looking to target the London highs because that was kind of the only target. Between both of them, we had London highs, and then we had the London lows for the DXY because it's inversely proportional. But yeah, so I wanted to see the London lows get taken or even push into the Asian lows and then target the London highs. However, this did not happen. Like right before 5 minutes before market open, we had a huge push to the upside, getting close to the London high. We did not take out the London high on GBP/USD. However, on EUR/USD, we did take out the London high at market open. So that was something to note. So EUR/USD, the hope was already gone because I didn't have any other target. But I was still looking on GBP/USD if we took out the London low or the Asian low, and we started targeting the London high because DXY did not take out the London low as well with market open. So I was like, I don't know if I was ignoring the fact that EUR/USD already took it, but I feel like I was still having like confirmation with GBP/USD and DXY both having the target, but EUR/USD just not like already have like taking that target and not having it. So I didn't really take it to. I don't know where my train of thoughts going, but it's like I didn't think that EUR/USD taking out the London high was that deep, because I feel like GBP/USD did not take out the absolute high and DXY did not take out the absolute low. So that's why I thought like, yo, GBP/USD, this trade could still be valid if we take out the London low. We did not end up taking out the London low. We did not end up pushing into Asian low. We ended up pushing way later after taking out the London high. So we took out the London high. So we just did opposite of 4 hour bear structure. We took out the London high and then targeted the Asian low. We inversed for value gap, maybe entered something short off of that. However, the 4 hour structure was bullish at the time, so don't really want to be trading against the 4 hour structure. Like we literally just confirmed it right before, like with the 7 a.m. candle close, we kind of confirmed bullish. But again, like I don't know, bro. These two just move like high key nicely in the opposite kind of direction. I know this one moved kind of like as expected, but it's like it would have been nice if we just took out the Asian highs or something, or if we just had like if the London highs were somewhere here. That would have been pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Do you understand what I'm saying? Probably not. We had this 1 hour high too. We didn't even tap into that. So I feel like we inversed this 1 hour for value gap too. So everything was like, for me, was just saying like, yo, if we're gonna take something, it'll be like, yo, we take out a major high and then we start moving down. But we just came into the Asian low. Like I feel like I mean, I guess yeah, it has some like significance, but it's like, is it that significant? Like I don't think so. Like it's just like a price point from a previous low. Like, I mean, people do say that the day opening, like the opening price of the day has some significance, but that's like the opening price. This is like some range of the Asian low from on the 30-minute from the bottom of the wick to the top of the wick that already got taken down. We're just retracing right in. This could have very well just been a 4 hour equilibrium retrace, which it probably like might have been. Wait, that's the wrong thing. We did not hit 4-hour equilibrium. Probably a 1-hour equilibrium then. Like if we ignore the fact that there's a high here, boom, boom, equilibrium tapped into kind of thing like that. But it's just like I feel like that's kind of a gamble. It's not like very probabilistic. You heard USD 4-hour was very similar to GBP USD. However, we took out the London High right at market open, so I did not look at it. So that's pretty much all for today. Not really much. Like, bro, I hate being brown sometimes, bro. Like, just for me to look like a good, like, I feel like I'm not trying to like say I'm an ego. I'm not trying to say my build is like the greatest. Like, I know there's still some room to improve, but I feel like my build is like pretty high up there. You know, like I feel like if someone saw me like shirtless, they'd be like, shit, that guy's like good. Like that guy's like built nicely. Like, I feel like I'm built pretty nicely. You know, I get hella compliments from guys, not females, sadly. But it's like, okay, I'm a bit bloated right now because I just ate. It's like, bro, tell me you seen a brown guy who was built like me, bro. Like, actually, like that just sounded weird, but it's like, bro, I saw this guy's TikTok on my like TikTok, right? And then there's like his TikTok was just like him thirst trapping, and this guy got millions of like not millions, hundreds of girls glazing the guy, bro. And I was like, shit, bro, why can't that be me? And I looked at myself in the mirror and I looked at him and I was like, I understand why. This guy was majestic, bro, no cap. But I think he's short. But that's the thing, bro. Short kings have just short kings have the craziest face card, bro. Taller guys are just like not that good looking, bro. Like me, bro. So it's like the only one exception is Marlon, bro. This guy Marlon's blessed, bro. This guy Marlon's blessed, bro. The goal is to get the Marlon build, bro. I feel like I'm slowly getting there. He's like 22 or something, right? Or 23. I'm 17, so I still got like 5 more years. In 5 more years, I'm gonna be pulling that bitches, bro. What the fuck did I just say, bro? One day, bro. Not one day. One day or day one. Day one. It's always been day one for me, bro. It's always been day one for me. But yeah, what I was trying to say, tall guys don't have good face cards. Short kings have tough face cards. I need to get better. I need to get it locked in. But my forehead's just the thing that's cooking me right now, bro. Oh, hey, wait. Hey. I'm that guy. I'm just kidding, but I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.